Imagine a world without tires on cars, no bouncing basketballs, no waterproof raincoats, and even no gloves for doctors. Hard to picture, right? Well, that's exactly what life would look like if rubber was never discovered. Rubber has been one of the most essential materials in human history, from ancient civilizations using natural latex to today's synthetic industries. But what if it never existed? How would our daily lives, industries, and even global progress look without it? Rubber touches almost every aspect of our lives. Without it, transportation would face its biggest crisis. No tires for cars, bikes, buses, or airplanes. Even simple tools like rubber bands, erasers, and shoe soles wouldn't exist. Industries that depend on rubber, from healthcare with surgical gloves to sports with balls, would collapse or struggle to find alternatives. And think about electricity. Without rubber insulation, wiring and safe power transmission would become far more dangerous. Of course, humans would adapt. Instead of rubber, we might rely on leather, metal springs, or plant-based fibers for everyday items. Tires could be made of wood or steel, though they'd be far less efficient and uncomfortable. Sports like football or basketball might never have been invented in the same form, perhaps replaced by heavier, leather-based versions. Even fashion would change. Raincoats, waterproof boots, and elastic clothing wouldn't exist. But here's the biggest shock. Without rubber, the global pace of technological development would be drastically slower. Cars, planes, electricity, and even space exploration depend heavily on rubber parts. Imagine NASA trying to launch rockets without heat-resistant rubber seals. It might never have happened. In short, without rubber, modern civilization, as we know it, would look completely different. Slower, riskier, and far less comfortable. From transportation to healthcare, sports to technology, rubber is one of the hidden heroes of human progress. Without it, our world would be almost unrecognizable. So what do you think life would be like without rubber? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other What If videos exploring how single materials have shaped our world.